100% bonus depreciation reinstated. So Phil, can you kind of kick us off and tell us, this has been around, but it's changed. And so can you just kind of kick us off and tell us a little bit about what it is and what's changed?
Sure, Adam. Bonus depreciation has been really the front runner since the TCJA Act back in 2017. And it's pretty much one of our most powerful tax planning tools, as well as I think most accountants and taxpayers like it very well. But it's slowly been gradually decreasing from 100% to 80 to 60, and now in 25, with no new tax bill, it would have been 40%. Then 26, it would have been 20% and nothing after that. But with this, now we can deduct 100% of assets that are acquired and placed in service after January 19th, 2025. So really, you can't do anything before then. But for most of the assets put in this year, for 25, get 100% expensing. And
Right.
As a reminder, and that's just year one expensing, regardless of whether you take bonus or another form of depreciation, you don't lose those depreciation deductions, but it allows a lot of planning opportunities by being able to decide whether or not you want to take all that in year one or if you want to spread it out. But I know in most cases, you want to try to decrease that income as much as you can, but it just depends.
Let's just say you run a manufacturing shop and you invest $120,000 in new machinery. Under the previous rules, you might have been able to deduct, let's say 60% of that in year one. Well, now you can write off $120,000 of that immediately. So that's a huge boost to cash flow, especially if you pair that with financing.
And that's a great point. The fact that maybe somebody even did that this year, not anticipating exactly what the new law would say, and so now they potentially have a big new tax boost that they didn't know about. So that's great, and this is why you have to know the tax law, and you have to have folks that know the tax law, and you have to not just file your taxes, but have tax planning. So
exactly.
To learn more about how your business could find potential tax savings under the new tax law, click the link in the description to download our free PDF, 10 Ways the New Tax Law Could Reshape Your Bottom Line.